ultrasound vibrates with an amplitude from 20 to 40 microns at a frequency of 20 or 35 kilohertz. Ultrasonic sealing melts the material extremely quickly in the correct position. Unlike other technologies, the heat is created in the relevant area between the two foils. The heat is transferred from the inside to the outside. The foils are normally composed of 3 layers. The outside is a mechanically stable polyester layer. The middle layer is comprised of aluminium, and the inside layer is made of a sealable material, for example, polyethylene. Sonotrode and anvil are finely adjusted to a tolerance of microns and ensure precise compression. Due to the surface friction, energy is generated between the foils. Ultrasonic sealing technology creates intramolecular friction. Connections between the molecules are broken and new constellations are created. The material is welded at the seam for highest tightness. Ultrasonic sealing even seals moist surfaces and clearly exceeds the tightness of conventional heat sealing. The seam demonstrates very high mechanical strength immediately after the sealing process. The low amount of internal heat is absorbed and conducted away by the cooler outside foil layers. As a result, the product is no longer exposed to heat. The new generation of horizontal flow wrappers for hermetic packaging, ultrasonic sealing is the key. By using ultrasonic sealing, we achieve savings of material and energy of 30 to 40%. What makes this technology so efficient? The innovative welding process for hermetic sealing requires less surface area. Therefore, less material is used for cross and fin seal widths. The ultrasonic sealing technology allows a reduction of material complexity. New material compounds are in the development pipeline to support packaging sustainability. With the ultrasonic technology, the sealing and holding time can be reduced, with a direct impact on lower energy costs. The ultrasonic sealing process protects the product integrity, independent of the existing product application. Even during a machine stop, there's no risk of the product or the foil being overheated, so that waste can be avoided. Also, products that stop in the length seam area remain intact. As the machine components always remain cool, an immediate manual intervention is always possible, and cleaning of the sealing tools is less frequently required. The ultrasonic sealing process is particularly hygienic and leaves fewer deposits on the tool surfaces than heat sealing. You also profit from the immediate readiness when starting the system. It requires no warm-up phase of the sealing tools and generates no start-up waste. The new generation of horizontal flow wrapping machines is particularly compact and accessible. In addition, it supports the philosophy of process analytical technology. Examples like the FDA-approved ultrasonic generators and the integrated process controls support a very high quality level of the new machine platform. All process-relevant parameters are monitored. The sealing process is continuously monitored and documented, and the interdependent process parameters are automatically controlled. In this manner, the quality of each and every pack can be guaranteed. The ultrasonic sealing process is suited to a wide range of products. We offer tailor-made packaging solutions, and by using ultrasonic technology, it will be possible to create new, innovative packages with flexible cutoff geometries. Bosch packaging technology offers unique machine and system know-how by using our own core competencies and a broad industry and experience network on a global base. SIGPAC Systems has developed the latest machine generation for ultrasonic sealing in cooperation with Hermann Ultraschall. Benefit from our technological lead as market leader in horizontal flow wrappers.